And as we always do here on 5 Live, because this is a rapidly developing story with many elements, I bring you the top 5 developments in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Number 1, and it's been a big headline today, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has broken his silence and recommended a CBI probe into the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, who is a Bihar native. Well, this after the late actor's father spoke to the Chief Minister. The Shiv Sena that heads the Maha Aghadi government in Maharashtra, where Sushant Singh Rajput died in June, has slammed the Bihar government's demand for this CBI probe. The Sena says Nitish Kumar is turning Sushant's death into a political issue in an election year for Bihar. Meanwhile, the Bihar versus Mumbai police war, khaki on khaki, continues and escalates. Bihar's top cop has reiterated that Sushant's death is not a case of suicide. He's reiterated that. Number 3, Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend Riya Chakravarti's lawyer Satish Mani Shinde has told India Today that the Bihar police has no jurisdiction to ask for this case to be transferred to the CBI. He's called the move illegal. But trouble is mounting for Riya Chakravarti nevertheless, because the Enforcement Directorate is likely to summon her to join a probe into money laundering allegations that have been leveled against her by Sushant Singh Rajput's father and family. So like I said, the Sushant Singh Rajput death mystery is only getting murkier, with many different elements churning both in the investigation as well as in the political sphere. Now, Bihar's Chief Minister, like I said, Nitish Kumar, has come out to recommend a CBI probe in the case a day after Sushant's father spoke out calling for a CBI probe. He has also alleged that the Mumbai police ignored the family's complaint way back in February. Sushant's family had claimed a threat to the actor's life in what they say were messages to a Mumbai DCP, and they ask why was no action taken. This is what we know so far.
After request from Sushant Singh Rajput's family, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has recommended a CBI probe into the mysterious death of the actor. The Chief Minister spoke exclusively to India Today immediately after recommending the CBI probe.
आज हमारे बिहार के डीजीपी से उन लोगों की बातचीत हुई है और उन्होंने ही मुझको सूचित किया है कि उन्होंने अपना कंसेंट दिया है कि सीबीआई की इंक्वायरी हो जाए तो अच्छा और ये आज ही मिल जाएगा। हमने तत्काल कहा है कि जब उनके कंसेंट है, उनकी भी इच्छा है, इसको तत्काल सीबीआई इंक्वायरी के लिए इस प्रस्ताव को रिकमेंड करके भेजिए। तो वो पूरा उसका जो फॉर्मल तरीका है उस काम में बिहार पुलिस लगी हुई है और आज ही हमने कहा है कि आज ही ये पूरा प्रोसीजिंग है, इसका जो प्रोसीजर है इसको करके, क्योंकि उसमें FIR दर्ज होता है और सारी बात उसमें लिखना पड़ता है, हर तरह की चीजें और लिख करके वो तत्काल भेजेंगे और आज ही सरकार की तरफ से भी कंसेंट उसमें हो जाएगा।
This while Bihar DGP lashed out at Mumbai police, asking what have they done for the last 56 days in Sushant's probe.
तो 50 दिन में क्या किया मुंबई पुलिस ने, ये बताया ना देश को। जनता जानना चाहती है क्या हुआ, क्या रहस्य है, क्या जांच किया मुंबई पुलिस ने। चिट्ठी लिखा था, उनको बताया था कि इस अधिकारी को भेज रहे हैं और इस काम के लिए भेज रहे हैं। वो टीम का नेतृत्व तो करेंगे, आपके साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन करेंगे। आपने उसको क्वारंटीन कर दिया, हम फिर किसी को भेजें, उसको भी आप इसी तरह से बंद कर दीजिएगा। तो आपकी नीयत पर अब तो बहुत तरह के सवाल हैं। तो हमको फूंक फूंक करके कदम रखना है, लेकिन हम जान छोड़ेंगे नहीं।
Sushant's family has made an explosive revelation, saying that they filed a complaint with the Mumbai police on the 25th of Feb, fearing a threat to Sushant's life. In the complaint made via WhatsApp to DCP Paramjeet Singh Dahiya, the family clearly mentioned that Riya was controlling Sushant and all his business affairs. The family said she even fired all his trusted staff and instead hired her own stooges. The complaint also mentioned that Riya took Sushant to a resort on the pretext of curing his depression, and since then, Sushant was on a downhill path. Mumbai police has countered the family's claim, saying that no written complaint was made by the family. Mumbai police said Sushant's brother-in-law IPS officer OP Singh had sent messages to DCP Zone 9 seeking an informal resolution. But the Mumbai cop had asked for a written complaint. Sushant's flatmate Siddharth Pithani has also shared forwarded WhatsApp messages from Sushant's brother-in-law OP Singh, which were sent to him on February 9th. The messages, which were intended for Sushant, were sent to Pithani after the family could not reach the actor. The chats have now been shared with the Mumbai police. The texts revealed that Sushant's family was not happy with the company Sushant kept and his habits. Sushant's brother-in-law also said in the text that only he can help him and urged the late actor to tell his girlfriend or her family to work out a mutually agreeable arrangement. Siddharth was staying with Sushant in his Bandra house at the time of the actor's death. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.